Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share the recipe of yurinchi using chicken thigh and breast. Yurinchi is originated in southern China, Guangdong province, and then the recipe was adapted for Japanese taste. My family, friends, and all the co-workers love it. The recipe is very simple. Crispy chicken and rich sauce are perfect. I hope you enjoy Japanese yurinchi at your home. Yes, let's make it. At first, I'll make the scallion sauce. The taste is rich, sour, and little sweet. The process is quite simple. We can make it quickly and we can preserve it for a week in the fridge. This is Japanese leek. The feature of it is that the bottom side is sweeter and the above side is sharper taste. Today I use the bottom side, 25 grams. I make many cuts to the leek. Good, and mince it. The tip is to move the knife back and forth widely without power, so it's important to keep the knife sharp. Mince the leek as finely as possible. Perfect. This is a sauce recipe. I combine the all sauce ingredients. We don't need to use the heat. Slowly to melt the sugar. Mince the leek, sesame oil, and last ginger juice. Okay, the sauce is done. Next, I'll prepare the chicken thigh and breast. First, remove the excess skin and fat. Good. Then cut it into pieces. I love juicy and crispy chicken, so I cut it into big pieces. You can cut the chicken any way you like. The tip is to cut the chicken with skin. Then put the salt and black pepper to the chicken thigh. The tip is to put the salt and black pepper to the chicken evenly. After that, add the sauce, so put the salt lightly. Okay, let them stand for 10 minutes. On the other hand, I'll make the brine 3% salt water. Soaking the chicken breast in the brine makes it juicy and tender. Cut the chicken breast into pieces. Like this. And soak the chicken for 15 minutes. Please take a moment. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can know a lot of Japanese food recipes and culture. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Then remove the chicken and let the chicken dry for a while. Next, I cut the chicken with potato starch. You can use cornstarch instead of it. The tip is to coat the chicken evenly and remove the excess powder. Good. Let's deep fry the chicken. The temperature of the oil is 160 degrees. First, chicken thigh. I deep fry them for 3 minutes to cook them gradually. If the temperature is too high, the chicken will burn before it's cooked through. Turn them over. Then remove them. Ideally, the chicken is not cooked yet. The color is still pale. The tip of making the chicken crispy is to deep fry it twice. And we shouldn't deep fry many pieces of chicken at a time. If you add many ingredients in the oil, the temperature decreases and the finish becomes oily. Turn up the heat 180 degrees. Return the chicken to the oil. The oil becomes liquidity. If the temperature is high, it makes the chicken crispier. If the chicken is cooked, we feel the vibration because of boiling inside. Once the chicken is nice browned, I remove them. Looks delicious. Okay. Next, chicken breast. The cooking method is almost same as for chicken thigh. First, I deep fry them 160 degrees for about 2 minutes. The heat is a bit higher than before. Remove them once. Good. Then 180 degrees. I deep fry it twice, but the time is a bit shorter than chicken thigh. If the chicken breast is overcooked, the texture becomes tough. So we need to deep fry chicken breast more carefully. Okay. Today I prepare fresh lettuce and tomato. They refresh our mouth. This lettuce is grown in Nagano Prefecture. Here is high elevation, cooler temperature, and high diurnal temperature range. These are good for growing fresh lettuce. Lettuce and tomato make the dish colorful. I cut the lettuce against the fiber and cut tomato into bite-sized pieces. Okay, let's arrange it on the plate. Spread the cut lettuce on the plate, tomato, and chicken. Finally, pour the sauce. Yurinchi, chicken thigh, and chicken breast are done. Let's eat it. いただきます. The chicken is crispy and juicy, and lettuce is very refreshing. Tomato is also nice. Chicken breast is elegant taste, and the texture is tender. Both is so delicious. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced how to make Japanese yurinchi. Yurinchi is one of the most popular homemade dish in Japan, and this is my favorite recipe. Personally, I prefer chicken thigh. I hope you enjoy Japanese yurinchi at your home. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.